I think we should go
My little soda pop.
Soda pop.
One of the best songs.
Are they flying?
The full demon form.
Wait, next one give us a
It's crazy that they got the choreography even with the animation.
This song is a banger.
that sounds crazy. Damn, that's literally right.
Big Bang.
That's pretty fluid too.
I would say they got this down to a team. Their whole performance is Thematic. Wow, I'm impressed.
These visuals are very well done.
Dude, this movie is fire.
Soundtrack is everything, guys. After this.
Dang, bro, that's bars.
I was gonna say this is so 80s.
I don't see no light. The light's fading away.
Oh shit! Yeah, that's such a scary song if you listen to the lyrics, right? We're about to kill you, but you know what? Listen.
Bro, no, these songs are like fucking great.
I hope you have it on Spotify.
Holy shit, bro. Dang. Wow.
This shit was so tough. Top
Second thoughts?
Okay.
Come on, girl. Pop up.
Damn.
We are hunters, voices strong, slaying demons with our song. Fix the world and make it right.
Oh my god.
When darkness finally.
Come on, Rumi, you're not a demon. You're you.
That frame is huge. I can't even. Oh my god.
Hold on. Wait, hold on. Rumi on the beach?
Everyone finally sees you for what you are.
Holy shit.
Bro, the color, bro. I love the color, bro. Holy shit.
It is. So we can make a new one.
Oh, hold on. Oh, Rumi solo.
Solo.
She's going solo.
Nah, squad gotta join active.
Ooh, the colors are different.
Oh, here we go.
That's off the dome. That's off the dome. Don't lyrics went down. She hit the dome with it. Speaking from the heart now.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
I'll go with
Oh yeah.
that.
Join in.
They snapped out of confusion.
Yeah. Let's go. Join them. Come back together, HUNTR.
Oh, let's go.
These lyrics are like deep as death.
This is good. Oh my god.
So the two lights on the other side, opposite of it.
This one might end up being my favorite. They just need to reunite.
Ooh. There we go. Okay, let's go.
Oh man.
All three together.
Bro, music in the show is fantastic, actually.
There you go.
Crazy. Wow.
You said stop this song. We don't stop in this song, dude.
That's gonna be
So
awesome.
Fourth quarter.
And like the actual comeback from a group. When the big guy saw. Ooh.
Oh man.
Holy shit. Oh. The lights.
I don't have
everyone.
Okay.
They're becoming fans again with the HUNTR.
I love this.
Oh my lights.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Let me get my Itsy light.
Painful when they broke up now.
Outfit change. Okay.
The outfit changing the beat as well.
And Will Sleep. I like it.
Nah, this song is fire too.
I have my Itsy light. Does it count?
G about to go like he might start singing. Why'd you come to the group and start singing too. Like, oh.
Shout out to
Oh my god.
That's so fire.
It's a banger, I swear.
Uh-oh. Hold on. Hold on. First is changing. Hold on. What the hell? Fusion? Look at this. He's consumed. Is it big demon time?
Now it's gonna be ultra boost on.
That sounds
Jinu, join! Jinu, help! Jinu, help! Now!
Yo, baby. Gino, come help us.
Perfect time.
Come on, let's
Come on, what are you gonna do?
You're about to do like I'm trying to think of the anime with
He's holding the door.
That's what holding it back at last, so.
I wanted to set you free.
Hey, what's up?
Okay, dude's not gonna. Oh.
He's
I'm giving
Are you kidding?
Where you go? His soul is merging with her.
Oh, that's what the lights have been.
Yo, she about to turn off.
I like that.
Yo, this? Wow.
Final boss.
The front bed, yeah, the front bed.
Yeah, I guess the lights can be on.
Powering her
We're done.
Dude, this movie is fire. Wow.
There you go. Defeat the fire. Stronger united. I love it. Yes. Bam! Oh my god! Such a banger.
Oh yeah.
Turn golden? Back to golden?
There we are, HUNTR.
Bravo. Bravo. This is one of the ones, man. Like, this movie, everyone. Bravo.
No. I've been trying to do that.
Her markings are
So we're just gonna classify these as like crazy tattoos to everybody.
She got
She got her pattern and she's crazy. Why?